Hello folks, how you doing? It's old Des Cattys, enjoying a cup of the old Darjeeling tea. Been out for my morning run as you do. A bit nicer out there today. Still cold, but at least it's a bright blue sky and there's no fucking rain. Right, in this video, it's an unboxing. Isn't it great? I mean, I don't like Christmas. I think Christmas is a fucking whore. I love spending time with my family at Christmas and friends and all the rest of it, but all the lead up to it, all the buying of the presents and all that bollocks, I don't like it. Alright, I really fucking don't. But when you get a present through the door that the man in the red suit's delivered to you, and it ain't Santa Claus either, it's the postman, I get really excited. So I thought what I'd do is I'd share with you my unboxing. You know I like doing an unboxing every now and again now. I never used to like them, but I think they're good fun, and I'm going to do, this is another unboxing. So I'm going to have a sip of my old tea, because I like the pressure to mount, because you're probably wondering what's in that box. You're fucking like, you can't leave your seats, because you're like, open the box, tell us what's in there. And it's like, hang on a minute, I've got to have my cup of tea. Right, okay, less of the excitement now, less of the build up, less of the tension. Right, let's open it. So I've got a pair of scissors today. I couldn't find my children's plastic ones, so I've got to use metal ones today. All right, so I'll be really careful. All right, so I mean if you smell it, you can sort of smell cardboard. You know, it's got that sort of cardboardy smell. You know, I suppose because it's in a box. Anyway, right, so let's open it. Oh. Oh, guess what's in there? Guess what's in there? Right, what's in here? Right, what is in here? Okay, right, look, let's cut to the chase. Let's be like true about this. Right, hang on a minute. Right, what's in here? Okay, I've purchased a new Leatherman. It's a new Leatherman. I've purchased a new one. I've got the old I've got the original Leatherman. And this is basically going to go into, this is my JP pouch, and I've got one of the original, I'll get it out, you know. This is one of the original Leathermans. I've had this a long time, 20 odd years I reckon I've had that. Alright, pucker. But I wanted something that fits nicely into my Possibles pouch. So I basically purchased a new Leatherman, and I've got the Leatherman Wave, because that's what hosts in now. So let's open the box and have a look. I mean, you know, some people do them and they do them in silence, but I don't. I like to talk about it because I can't hold the excitement. I bought when I bought the Wave, I bought I wanted the additional leather pouch that goes with it. I'm probably not going to use it, as I say, because it's going in me. Because it's going to go in my Possibles pouch. Also, I got free, when I purchased this from the company that I purchased it from, they give me a bottle of multi-tool oil for free, and a Farah and Tanner bespoke gift as a freebie. It's basically a sharpening stone, and yeah. So, and this is a 240 fine grit and 120 coarse grit, which I think is a little bit sort of quite coarse for my liking, but it might be all right once I use it. I'll probably see if I can stick that in my Possibles pouch as well, rather than my DC4 one. Alright, so there we go. And then if we have a look at the, we don't need the box anymore, let's fuck that off. Don't need the plastic bag. Alright, and so here we are, there's the Leatherman Wave. I basically wanted to get a Leatherman that locked. Okay, with the original, I mean, great tool. Alright, that was the first one, but obviously the blades don't lock in it, and as the years have gone on, they may come out of titanium and fucking Damascus steel and God knows what else, but I'll just purchase the normal one that's, I believe, made of stainless. It's got the pliers on it, and a load of sort of like little bits in there. Everything's lockable. You've got a nice serrated edge there on that blade. What I'm going to do is, I'm out the weekend, so I'm going to sort of put it through its paces and see how I get on with it. You've got two saw blades. There's the other saw blade with a slightly rougher teeth on it, and then the other side is normal blade there, knife blade. And if I ping that down, lock that one over and bring that one out. I've then got a file, and the file is like a fine, a fine and a slightly coarse one. So there it is, that's my Leatherman wave. Yeah, I'm going to try it the weekend, see how it goes with feather sticks and all that kind of stuff, because it's going in a possibles pouch. So obviously if I lose everything, and I've hopefully still got my possibles pouch on me to make things possible, then hopefully this knife will or this multi-tool will live up to its usual sort of Leatherman quality standard. Alright, so yeah, that's about it, folks. That's, you know, I didn't want to, you know, unboxing as it is. Hang on a minute, I've got to have another sip of milk, see. Right, so that's it, folks. So thank you for watching. That was my unboxing. I didn't do any videos the weekend because I was busy decorating, and I don't like decorating, but it has to be done, and it kind of confines me to the insides of the house. But I plan on being back out again the weekend. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Facebook, yeah, I am kind of flitting in and out on Facebook, but you know, I'll take it or leave it, not really doing much of that. I'm on Instagram posting up pictures, and obviously on YouTube. VidMe's folded up, that's fucked off, don't really know why, but it has. And that's it really. So hopefully here's to a good new 2018, and plenty more videos to come, hopefully some new subscribers and all the rest of it, and all the best. Right, so there's my Leatherman wave.